Hi everybody, my name is Jonathan Roach and today I will share with you my second try for the project number two about the API project. So what I create an API that return information of my favorite band that's called a Dream Theater. Okay. So the main idea is to create an API that return all the albums of the band and all the members of the band. So I have two databases, one for the albums and one for the members of the band. And in my code, I create two part of controllers, similar controllers for the Swagger, one for the albums and one for the members. That's the main idea. So if we return to here in my render link, I divided and ordered my Swagger in two parts, the albums and the members. So just to try, I will execute this and we will have this longer database that I create with all the 13 albums of Dream Theater. And, not just the name of the album and the year of release, you can have information on each song, the number of track, the name of the track, and the time um, for the duration of the song. So this is the main idea um, for the albums. And for members, I have the same to execute and get all the members, and have some information about the name of the member, the role of the instrument that they play, um, the year when I started with the band, and if he continued in the band or left the band and which year. So the main idea is to have that information. Um, so one thing that I do then is to get the album by ID. My main idea for next week, for this week, really, um, is to not have the albums by ID. I want to have the album for the name of the album because that's the idea of my API. But for this first part of my project, if I put the ID, I will have just information for one album. The name of the album, the year release, if I say studio album, live album, the songs, and the members. Then one idea that I have is to connect both databases and not have the ID, have the names of the members of each album. So this is the main idea. I have this, and the same happened here with the members. Here is with ID too. So I will take this ID and I will right here paste and execute, and I will have the information of just for the drummer in this case, my partner, and all the information. So I have to um yeah here I wanted to show you. We'll try this. So perfect. The first thing that I will do is you see how all the albums appear here. So the first thing that I will do is to create a new album. So I'll put this. I have my template with all information that I put before to more just a little bit faster. And I will execute here. And if I return here and execute again, I have the information of this album, the full person. That's the last album. I not put all the songs, but I will do it later. So I have the post here. So now I will um edit here too. So I will edit it by ID. Okay. So I will put tryout as ID. And again, I will copy and paste here. And I will copy here the comma and paste it here. Um, so will be track number two called night error and here duration. Um, could be maybe I don't know the correct duration, maybe 6 minutes. Um, so with that we have maybe all. I will try to execute. Um, okay, I fail in my oh 0. Sorry, I need to close this. Okay, so just a little error with JSON. So I will execute again. And now in this part, you can see now night error like second, um, like the second song track in the album. So this isn't the main idea. I will just try to delete that album that I create just to show how it's working. So I will go here, copy this ID, go to the put here the ID and execute. Go again here, execute to get all the albums, and you can see that now it's not appear more. Here is the album called Falling into Infinity. So this is the main idea, and the same happened here with members. So it happened in the same way to put, delete, and update all the information. And obviously, I have my Hello World part just to try it if my API is connecting. So I'll have it equal the same idea. So this is my project. I will finish in the next this week. Well, like I say, the main idea is to connect both databases to have all the information together. So I hope that you like it, and this is all. Thank you so much.